Alright, here we go with my little homemade studio here in the backyard. I got a little $14 background from AliExpress. Got my little Godox 600 for a hair light. I got my Godox AD600 as my main, and my AD200 as a fill. Got set up with my Nikon Z30 with my Godox trigger, and try to do a self-portrait. See how it comes out. As I was saying, I have my $14 background I got from AliExpress. I got it held up with some magnets. Here are my gate. I'll show you guys back more so I can see. I got my little homemade snoot. Direct my hair light. And I'll show you guys the results in a few. Here's a view of what my camera sees. And I'll try to show you guys the power settings. You can see it or not. Got a 16th on the main, a 16th on the fill, and a 1/64th on the hair light. Now I am shooting ISO 100 f8. Here is my graduation promotion setup from my niece. Just putting in order for 8th grade to 9th. My fill light, main light, my rim light.